Last week on a live, I was asked to make pineapple bread. Now, I had a good laugh on the live because I really thought I was being pranked, not knowing that pineapple bread was really a thing. So today, we're going to make this pineapple bread, which to me is really like a pineapple cake, but it's really simple. I started off by using pancake mix. Now the recipe really calls for flour, but I chose to use pancake mix. Don't worry above, I'll leave you a list of all ingredients that I used in this recipe. So I went in with the pancake mix, some baking powder, some salt and some sugar, and using a spoon I mixed everything to combine. Now you can use a spatula, you can use a whisk, whatever makes you happy, go ahead and use it. Now we're going to go in with some milk in there, and we're also going to add in some oil. We're not using a lot of oil, but we need some oil in there. In goes my 2-room temperature eggs, and make sure not to get any shells in there. That would be a disaster. Then I went in with a tin of crushed pineapple with the juice. And what is really nice about this cake, let me tell you, or bread, it's super easy to make. So it's super easy to combine. There's not a lot of mixing to be done. You're just gonna mix it, and just like that, you've completed. Now I had this bright idea to pair it with coconut because you know pineapple and coconut goes very well. So I placed some pineapple in some coconut powder in there, and I'm mixing it to ensure that it doesn't have lumps. Now it's going to be chunky, but we don't want it to be lumpy. Now, would you believe if I told you at this minute I was just thinking about what I am going to put this thing in? Now, this Pyrex dish was definitely too small. So I went, checked around the kitchen, and I came up with this. Merry Christmas. So what I did is that I greased the pan, and I greased it using piece of paper towel that I have placed butter on. It's a good trick if you don't wish to get your hands nasty. So you go into all the corners and you paste it well. Then you're going to use some flour or some sugar. And in my case, I used neither. What I used was the pancake mix, and line the bottom, lightly dust the bottom of the pan before placing in the mixture in there. This is what my mixture looked like once I was finished. So come right in and take a look. So all this time your oven should be preheating, and it should be up to 350 degrees. Now you're going to allow that to cook for 40 to 45 minutes, or until you get a clean skewer or testing device just like this. Once it's cool, it removes it very easily from the pan, and this is what it will look like. Now this is normally had with a frosting, so you can do a cheese frost, cream cheese frosting, or any other type of frosting if you wish. Now this is naturally, this stands sweet on its own, so you may want to be mindful of that. For those of you who would like to see how it looks inside, this is how it looks. It's super moist and the texture is perfect. This, if you're a pineapple lover, you must try this. For me, if I'm to make it again, I'm going to use a really good coconut essence. I hope you enjoy. God bless you.